Welcome back to 4K Tech. Today I'm going to do an unboxing on this USB hub. The reason why I bought this was because I have these Lucky Miner USBs and they mined Bitcoin. And I just didn't want to spread them everywhere. So I was looking for a nice hub or something, and I came across this. This is like a gaming hub. So I got this off of Amazon. This was $16, which I thought was really reasonable. Here's the book it comes with, and then it comes with these, I don't know, these crazy stickers here. And a little manual here. And then here is the hub itself. I was like kind of shocked because look how tiny this little guy is. But I got it because, let's take this clear coat off there. That's nice. I got it because they could all sit in like that, and I'll be able to read them. It also has a little sticky thing over here. It's double-sided. You could just stick it somewhere because you could tell it's kind of flimsy. But let's go ahead and plug it in and see what she looks like. Okay. Okay, you can kind of see. Yeah, there it is. Let me just shut off the light here. It's not bright at all. It's not like gonna blare in your face or anything. It is pretty cool. And then here's my reading. I already set this one up. So these Lucky Miners, they're pretty cool. They just, you know, once you set them up, which is super, super simple, anybody could do it. If you click on there, it says actually Bitcoin right there. But yeah, so they're pretty simple to set up. It comes even with a little like manual when you get it. And it tells you like the pools you could use. Right now I'm using the public pool. Right there you could see. But there's plenty of pools that you could solo mine. And once it's set up, you just let it ride. And it's got to, you know, make sure you're on the 2.4 gigahertz. Don't use your 5G. It won't work. But I just think this is really cool. And then I'm going to get 2 more. And they'll all just be mining. How cool is that? And these right here, right now, they are going for about $34. So I think that's pretty reasonable. And the hash rate on these are, I got this, you can see right there, it's hashing at 73. Let's see if it comes back up around again. There we go. And it tells you like the you know, template blocks and all that stuff. The North America, like when you set up this thing, you'll come to the time zone on it. It's 8. Just you'll see the time zone. Just pick 8. I picked 8. You know, it's it worked good for me, and tells me my time zone, so it's good. But yeah, you could tell it does military time, but then it changes sometimes. So see, it's set 73 hash rate, and it changes all over the place. I just thought this was a really neat hub for the Lucky Miner. It did come with something else in here. Let me get the light back on. It looks like it just like a, oh okay, it's just a, it looks like a C to a USB to C adapter here. Okay, that's what that is. And this is reverse. Yeah, this is the same thing here. Okay, looks like a C to US. Oops, sorry, a C to USB. Yeah, there it is. Well, hope you liked it. All this stuff I got off of Amazon. So if I could leave the link in the bottom below for you. Please subscribe, like, and I'll post more like this if you like them.
Please like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications.